manufactured in New Zealand, the IR platform is a stable, radiolucent, height and length adjustable solution for femoral artery, interventional radiology and cardiology procedures. A key feature is its ability to provide operational security due to its positioning above the patient's legs, while still providing a stable yet adjustable surface. The working surface is secured above the patient by locking clips, connecting the legs to the lower base board, which is placed underneath the mattress. This removes the risk that a distressed patient could dislodge the platform off the table. The IR platform extension can be clipped and locked onto the end of the table to provide a lengthened work surface, capable of holding longer wires to facilitate over-the-wire and neuro procedures. The IR platform is manufactured from carbon fiber composite, and high-performance engineering plastics have been selected to withstand regular clinical use, including resistance to chemical attack from commonly used cleaning products. This forms part of our complete range of table accessories. Visit our website to view our full product portfolio.